Hello, welcome to my channel. We're going to be doing a bit of an update today. Just because I like to have something to do with my hands when I talk about things, I'm going to be knitting a hat while we have this little chat here. I've got this nice woolly blue yarn. This is going to be for my godmother. We're going to have a few changes to the channel, and I can't wait to talk about them with you. If I sound kind of weird, I'm getting over the plague. You know the one. So I am very sorry for that. Feeling a lot better. I think the biggest change going forward that we're going to have is that we are changing the name of the channel. Previously I had it as Molly McCann, that's my full name, but there is an MMA fighter who is also named Molly McCann. That whenever you Google our name on YouTube, she comes up, which makes sense because she's an MMA fighter. And while I was thinking of also becoming an MMA fighter and then challenging her, I think instead we're just gonna go with the name Molly Patricia. It's my middle name. I think it sounds very cute. Kind of like Anne Margaret from those old movies. So here we are, new channel name, Molly Patricia. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Change number 2 is 1 upload a week. I am determined to make this happen. I really love making videos and posting videos, but I do not get to make and post as many videos as I would like to. YouTube's been great because it's gotten me connected with other people who love sewing and crafts and fun, just like I do. And it's really nice to have this like little community where we can talk about it and share projects. But I have so many ideas that I just haven't been getting to because honestly, a sewing project like a gown, cosplay, stuff like that takes me at least 3 weeks to get through. So what I'm going to do is continue doing that, but I also am going to just pepper in new videos. Probably stuff that's a little bit less structured, like some vlogs, more crafts, more stuff with my dogs. I want my dogs in my videos more because they're just my precious little babies. Definitely more D&D stuff. And I'm not saying like this channel is going to become like a full gaming channel, well, because it never was like a full anything channel. My favorite channels on YouTube, the draw is the person who makes them, and you just enjoy watching that person do their thing. I'm not trying to be vain or anything and say like, you should watch it for me, but I really want to make videos where I can let my genuine feelings show through, and I think that will be easier if I do more videos with broader subjects. It's like the exact opposite of what everybody says when you look up like how to get more viewers to your channel, but I'm not as concerned with more viewers. I mostly just want to make better videos that are more fun for me and more fun for you to watch. So hopefully that will come through. Changes, 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 changes. I'm gonna try really hard to get better at editing and do some new things with editing. I don't know, add maybe more effects and stuff. But I really want to learn how to do like better transitions and more stuff like that. It's not something I really know anything about. I'm honestly not the most computer-y person. I think this would be really fun to explore. Also, one more new type of video that we're gonna do is I think some like home and room redecorating and design. I have my room here and it's just not feeling like it's working for me anymore. I have some pieces that I want to redo. Hopefully I'll get to those soon and we can go on that journey together. I think that's all I've got. If there is any kind of video that you think would be fun for me to make for you, if you want to watch something, feel free to do suggestions in the comments of this. I would be happy to hear what kind of thoughts you guys have about my content. And I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you are excited to see the new stuff that's going to be coming out. Be brave and do your best. Alright, bye!